If you're tired of dealing with uneven surfaces and messy sanding jobs, you're in the right place. Here are the 5 best cordless orbital sanders I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, the Skill 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. Priced at just $37. What grabbed my attention was its cyclonic dust box, which promises a cleaner workspace. If you want a powerful yet affordable option, this is worth a serious look. This sander features a 2.8 amp motor that delivers a whopping 13,000 orbits per minute, making it perfect for a variety of sanding tasks. The variable speed control means you can adjust the power based on the material you're working with, which really matters when you're transitioning between rough and fine finishes. Plus, the low vibration design helps reduce hand fatigue, allowing you to work longer without discomfort. Now, some users mentioned that the dust container can be a bit tricky to empty. Here's the thing though, as long as you keep it clean and empty it frequently, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still an excellent choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly sander that gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer looking for an economical sander that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this one if you're working on larger projects that require more power or runtime. For $37, it offers solid value for your money. Now, if the Skill's lower price worried you about performance, the next one on my list might actually be what you're looking for.
Product number 2, the dewalt 20V Max Orbital Sander, which retails for about $102.40. The brushless motor really caught my eye because it means more runtime and efficiency, something every woodworker needs. If you want reliability combined with power, this one's worth considering. This sander offers variable speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, allowing you to adjust the speed to your specific application. That's crucial when you're working with different materials. You don't want to overdo it and ruin your work. The rubber overmold grip is super comfortable, making longer projects less taxing on your hands. However, some reviews pointed out that it's a bit on the heavier side for an orbital sander. But honestly, with the added power and features, it's a trade-off that many users are willing to make. If you need a tool that can handle a variety of tasks effectively, this is a solid pick. This sander is perfect for professionals or serious DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable, powerful tool. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or if you're just starting out. Given its features at this price, it's a good value. Alright, that was a great option, but the next one might actually surprise you with its performance. Product number 3, the Makita 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. The third product is the Makita 5-inch Random Orbital Sander, priced at $38.86. What stood out to me was its 6 variable speeds, which give you flexibility for different sanding tasks. If you're looking for a powerful sander that doesn't break the bank, this is worth checking out. With a 2.5 amp motor that can reach up to 13,000 RPM, it offers up to 30% higher efficiency compared to other sanders in this price range. The hook and loop system means you can swap sandpaper quickly and easily, no tools required. Plus, it captures up to 80% of dust, keeping your workspace cleaner. Some users have pointed out that it can get a bit hot with extended use, but here's the thing. With proper breaks between uses, it's manageable, and the efficiency it provides makes it a great option for those who want to get the work done faster. This is perfect for casual users or hobbyists who need a reliable tool for various projects. Skip this if you have larger sanding jobs that require more power. For under $40, it's a strong contender in terms of value. Now, if you're concerned about battery life, the next product on my list will ease those worries. Product number 4, the Ryobi One Plus 18V 5-inch Random Orbit Sander, which you can grab for around $55. The first thing that caught my eye is its 10,000 orbits per minute speed, promising a smooth finish every time. If you want a reliable battery-powered option, this one could be a great fit. This sander comes with a dust collection port that fits standard vacuum hoses, which is super handy for keeping your workspace clean. The 40% reduced vibration is a big plus too, giving you more control while sanding. Its hook and loop sanding pad makes changing sandpaper a breeze. However, some users have noted that it could be a bit underpowered for larger projects,
But honestly, if you're mainly working on smaller to medium jobs, it's more than capable of getting the job done right. This is perfect for anyone who wants a dependable sander for small to medium projects without the hassle of cords. Skip this if you need serious power for extensive sanding tasks. For $55, it's a solid investment for its performance. Now, if you're looking for something with higher specs, the last product on our list just might be the best fit for you. Product number 5, the dewalt Orbital Sander Kit. Priced at $75.79, the powerful 3.0 amp motor caught my attention because it spins the pad at 12,000 OPM, providing a smooth finish. If you want a higher-end option that still offers great value, this one should be on your radar. This sander features an ergonomic design with a rubber overmold for comfort during extended use. The improved dust-sealed switch prevents dust ingestion, increasing the switch's lifespan. Plus, the one-handed locking dust bag makes cleanup quick and easy. Some users did mention that it could feel a bit bulky, especially for people with smaller hands. However, I think the performance and durability make it a worthwhile trade-off for anyone serious about sanding. This is perfect for professionals or dedicated DIYers who need a reliable tool for tougher projects. Skip this if you're looking for something compact and lightweight. At $75, it's a fair price for the quality you're getting. That was a solid lineup, but if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the dewalt 20V Max because of its power and efficiency.
To quickly recap, we covered the Skill 5-inch for budget-conscious users, the dewalt 20V Max for power seekers, the Makita for great efficiency, the Ryobi for battery convenience, and finally, the dewalt Orbital Sander Kit for serious projects. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the dewalt 20V Max because it balances power and efficiency perfectly. Avoid the Makita if you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty tasks.